Hello students, how are you all? I hope everyone fine. In last class, maybe you remember we learned integration by parts. So it's a continuation of that. This is the last concept in indefinite integration. Please remember this is the last concept in indefinite integration. After that we are going to learn definite integration. Okay. So in today's topic, using integration by parts only. Again we are using integration by parts. So, okay. Maybe you remember why we need integration by parts. Alva? Yavudಕ್ಕೆ use ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇವೆ? To integrate product of two function we use integration by parts. Maybe you remember we use one rule, isolate rule, to select first function. Ella ನೆನಪಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Now I'm going to derive three very important formulas. Derivation is also important. The formula you should remember, and it will come along with the 6 derivation which we learned in last classes. 6 derivation ನೆನಪಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So it's a continuation of that. Out of these 9 results, you will get one result 100% sure in exam. So whatever I'm going to discuss today, all the 3 derivations are very important. Problems, one or two problems you may get. Problems I'm not telling, but derivations important, no doubt in that. Okay. The first derivation. So question will be like this. You find the integral of root of a square minus x square with respect to x. So question will be like this. Remember, for 4 marks, along with this statement one problem will be given. Okay, remember that. Yeah, so the first work is like this: root of a square minus x square with respect to x. So we have to evaluate, we have to integrate this. We have to evaluate this expression. As I told, this is a part of integration by parts, so you have to use integration by parts only. Yeah, here you can see, okay, one function as a 1, you can take a one function as a 1, another function you can keep as a root of a square minus x square itself. And observe carefully, you cannot take this as a second function, because if you take this as a second function, you will immediately get this integration. So take this as a first function, this is a second function. Remember, I'm not using here isolate rule. I'm not using isolate rule because isolate rule ಎರಡು algebraic expression ಆದ್ರಿಂದ isolate rule use ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So use a logic. If you use this as a second function, immediately this integration will repeat. Immediately this integration will come. So take this as a first function, this as a second function. Okay, apply integration by parts. First function andre no root of a square minus x square. For our convenience, you take the given problem as I. You will come to know why I am taking that the given expression as I. So I is equal to root of a square minus x square, first function. Okay, first function, integration of second function, and then 1 integration of 1 no x, differentiation of first function 1 by 2 times root of a square minus x square minus 2x alva into integration of 1 andre no x dx. Integration of 1 is x dx. So this I is equal to root of a square minus x square into x minus plus 2 cancel agate. So or you keep this minus and as it is better, because of this minus sign, better to keep this minus and as it is. X into x ಏನಾಯ್ತು minus x square ಹಾಗೆ ಇರಲಿ, don't multiply with this minus. Now add a square, okay, and subtract a square. Add a square and subtract a square. So this I is equal to x into root of a square minus x square. See, as I told, okay, as we did in the previous classes, this trick, okay, you know, you are going to split into 2 parts. This is x, this is root x. So what is x by root x? Root x. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳೋದು? minus plus a square into 1 by root of a square minus x square. Now you have to integrate this. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? So this I is equal to x into root of a square minus x square. See, this is also I only, right? This is also I. So yeah, here you can split into integrate here itself. ಎರಡೆರಡು ಬರಿಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, you can write like this without bracket. One step you can skip, not an issue. Plus a square into this integration, you know, right? This integration you will get in the one of the first 6 integrations. Another then sin inverse of x by a. All the integration is over, you can write as plus c. So bring this I this side. So you will get here, I'll write here only 2i is equal to x into root of a square minus x square plus a square into sin inverse of x by a plus c. So what is required? I is required. So answer is x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a plus c. So this is a final answer. So you have to remember this as a formula. So what we derive? We derive integration of root of a square minus x square dx is equal to, x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a plus c. So you have to remember this formula as well as you have to learn this derivation. Compulsory you should learn this derivation as well as formula. So derivation important. This derivation will be asked for 4 marks. Along with this 4 mark derivation you will get one mark question, and I'll take some example now itself. Okay, separate agi problems ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ special problems ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ. I'll take some examples now itself. Exercise ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು special problem ಇದೆ, it's a homework problem. Okay, see the first example. Integration of root of 4 minus x square. I'll just show you how to use this formula. Okay, without practice this is not easy to remember. Okay, so tell me what is the answer. A square and then 4, so x by 2 4 minus x square plus 4 by 2 into sine inverse of x by 2 plus c, or x by 2 into root of 4 minus x square plus 2 into sine inverse of x by 2 plus c. This will be the answer. So I hope you understood the derivation as well as one particular example. Let me take one more. Observe this carefully. If you want to find out this integration, ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? root of 5 minus 2x square dx. Now observe carefully, since here coefficient of x square is not 1, so first work is to make coefficient of x square is 1. So you can write like this, 2 outside. Okay, 2 is outside from the square root. 5 by 2 minus x square dx. So it is nothing but 2 into a square minus, now use a formula, x by 2 into root of 5 by 2 minus x square plus 5 by 4 into sine inverse of x root 2 by root 5 plus c. Done. So I hope you understood both derivation as well as the two examples. So example ಹೇಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, find the integral of root of a square minus x square with respect to x and find one of these integral for 5 marks. So please remember that. Okay, very important for 5 marks. So like this we have 2 more. I'll derive you now both derivation as well as the 2 examples to each derivation, right? Okay, so one derivation and 2 problems we learned. Next one, same heading, find the integral of root of a square plus x square with respect to x. So last problem is the integral of root of a square minus x square, here a square plus x square. The work is almost same. Observe carefully. Take the given problem as I, root of a square plus x square with respect to x. Here you write this as a 1 into root of a square plus x square with respect to x. Again we are using integration by parts, and as I told in the last problem, this you cannot take as a second function because the same integral will repeat immediately. Yeah, it will repeat it in between, but it should not repeat in the first step. So apply integration by parts. Root of a square plus x square into integration of 1 and x. Differentiation is as same as that of the previous question, only the difference is the minus sign. Okay, here apply minus sign is not that plus sign. Then integration of 1 is x dx. So this is easier than the previous because your minus sign confusion is not there. So x into root of a square plus x square minus 2 cancel agate, x square numerator divided by root of a square plus x square dx. Again what we should do, add a square and subtract a square. Okay, so this is nothing but x into root of a square plus x square minus x by root x andre enagate root x. Correct? Okay, here minus sign, this minus become plus. A square is constant, so keep it outside, only you will get root of a square plus x square. Correct? So this I is equal to I into root of a square plus x square. This is also I. Okay, this integration is also I. Plus this integration you learn in the last result. So log of x plus root of a square plus x square. Integration is over everywhere, so you can write integration constant. So this I you bring this side, so become 2i, so 2i can be written as I equal to x by 2 divided by 2 on both sides. I skipped one step. I hope you understood, because this is similar to the previous one. There's no much difference. Correct? So this will be the final answer. This will be the final answer. So integration of root of a square plus x square is x by 2 into root of a square plus x square plus a square by 2 into log of x plus root of a square plus x square plus c. Artha aita? So I'll write again the formula which just now I derived. That is integration of root of a square plus x square, okay, dx is equal to, x by 2 into root of a square plus x square plus a square by 2 into log of x plus root of a square plus x square plus c. So this is a formula which we derived just now, and you have to remember this formula also along with the derivation. So ಯಾವ method use ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು integration by part. So please remember that ಈ formula ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು along with that derivation, very important, please remember. Okay, ಇದು 3 last classes ಕಲಿತ 6, so total 9 results ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಒಂದು ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So please remember that. Okay, so let me teach how to use this formula in problems. You should learn now how to use this formula in particular problem. So let me take some two examples. The first one, direct work, integration of 9 plus x square ಇಲ್ಲಿ simplification ಇಲ್ಲ, direct ಆಗಿ formula apply ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. a square plus x square. Tell me formula. X by 2, x ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, nothing is there to take it outside because coefficient of x square is 1. If it is other than 1, then you should take it outside. Okay, into the same expression you are going to write again a square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 9 by 2 into log of x plus root of 9 plus x square plus integration constant. Almost in one step, if you have a good practice you can try. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, nothing to worry. 1 mark ಕೇಳೋದು. Derivation is for 4 marks, the problem is for 1 mark. Okay, let me take one more example here. You will have some work directly, you cannot write the formula. For example, okay, 16 plus 9x square. Suppose question is like this, root of 16 plus 9x square. See here you cannot directly apply the formula. What is the reason? Can you tell me? Yeah, coefficient of x square is other than 1. So first of all you have to make coefficient of x square equal to 1. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಆ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆಬಿಡಿ. You can take directly outside from the square root or keep it direct. Okay, first keep it outside okay, the term, don't take it outside from the square root. So it will be like this. So what we did, I took 9 outside, then take 9 outside from the square root, then it become 3 alva. So root of 4 by 3 whole square plus x square dx. Now this is in the standard form. This is in the form of root of a square plus x square. So directly you can write the formula. So x by 2 ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು, x by 2 root of 16 by 9 plus x square plus a square by 2 ಅಂದರೆ 16 by 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ 16 by 9 into 2 ಅಂದರೆ 18. Okay, then log of mod of x plus root of 16 by 9 plus x square plus integration constant. So this will be the final answer. This will be the final answer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ 2 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೂ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟು ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಬಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಬಟ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಷನ್ ಅಂತೂ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಬಿ ರೆಡಿ. So we have one more work of similar kind. Okay, here again I am going to derive one formula and okay, problems of this kind. Third formula question will be like this only. Find the integral of root of x square minus a square with respect to x. Find the integral of root of x square minus a square with respect to x. Again it is integration by parts only, so take the given problem as I, root of x square minus a square with respect to x. Take this as a 1 into root of x square minus a square with respect to x. take this as a first function, take this as a second function. Apply integration by parts. So first function, x square minus a square into integration of 1 is x. What is the differentiation of this? 2 times root of x square minus a square, integration of x square x to x, and integration 1 is x dx. Correct? So 2 and 2 cancel agate. So this will be, okay, I is equal to x into root of x square minus a square. Yeah, here you keep that minus sign outside only, not an issue, because here plus we have, so root of x square minus a square dx. Correct? So first you subtract here, then add marbadi, then subtract, then add. First subtract money, then add. Now this you can split into 2 parts. So I is equal to x into root of x square minus a square. X by root x is root x, plus a square will be outside, 1 by root of x square minus a square. Okay, here only I'll write dx so that you can skip one step. It is allowed, nothing to worry. Okay. Now you know that this is nothing but I. So left hand side if we have I, so bring it this side. So 2i is equal to x into root of x square minus a square plus a square, okay, into, what is the integration of this? Yeah, log of x plus root of x square minus a square plus integration constant. So what is required? I is required. What is I? X by 2 into root of x square minus a square plus a square by 2 into log of mod of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. So this will be the final answer. Almost you can observe all the 3 derivations almost same. Allah observe ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದನ್ನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಲಿರಿ, remaining 2 you can manage easily. So let me write again the formula which we derived just now. Root of x square minus a square dx is equal to x by 2 into root of x square minus a square. Here observe one thing. Sorry, here it should be, this is a usual mistake, it should be minus plus minus. So this will be minus, so this will be minus. I forgot to write properly, okay? Minus plus minus. Okay, so this will be minus, this will be minus, this will be minus. So please change this, correct this mistake. It should be minus a square by 2 into log of x plus root of, x square minus a square plus integration constant. So this will be the final answer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ವ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಮೈನಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಟೇಕ್ 2 examples to make this work perfect. First one, suppose question is like this, x square minus 25, direct question. What is the answer? X by 2 into root of x square minus 25 plus a square by 2 into log of, direct ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಡೋದು, ಏನು ಕಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ x plus root of x square minus 25. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. It is not direct work. You need to rearrange the problem before using the formula, and it will be like this. Root of 3x square minus 12 dx. 3x square minus 12 dx. Since here coefficient of x square is not equal to 1, first you have to take it, okay, outside from the square root. So it will be root 3 outside. Inside you will get x square minus 4. 12 by 3, 4. Okay. So this is nothing but root 3 into x square minus a square. X square minus a square. So this will be x by 2 into root of x square minus 4 plus 4 by 2 log of x plus root of x square minus 4 plus c, and this will be the final answer. So I hope you understood. So this is the derivation, and these 2 are the examples. So we completed 9 derivations. Remember that out of that 9 result derivation, 100% you will get 1 in exam. Adali confusion say illa. Along with that you learn 6 problems which I derived now. Now I'll give you some homework problem from exercise. These problems based on these 9 results only. Artha aita? So sorry, last 3 results only. Got it? Very good. So take down some homework problem. I'll give you 5 problems, okay, based on these 3 results only. So homework problem, remember that. Evaluate first question, root of 4 minus x square. Second one, root of 1 minus 4x square. These are the textbook question. Similar problems already I discussed, remember that. Root of 1 plus x square by 9. Root of x square plus 3x. And one more, root of 16 minus 5x square, 16 minus or 16 plus 5x square dx. So these are the 5 homework problem. So with these 5 homework problem and the theory part which we discussed now, we completed indefinite integration. So one more part is there in integration, that part is known as definite integration. So we are going to find out the exact value, the definite value of a integration. So whatever we did up to now, it's a indefinite. Maybe you understood why it is called as indefinite integration. Actually plus c anta barititte alva. So plus c and it can be anything. The answer is not a perfect particular number. It is plus c means it can be 10 plus 10 plus 100 whatever, okay. The c is a real number, so it is not definite value. So whatever we did up to now, it is known as indefinite integration. In next class I am going to take definite integration, okay. So I hope you understood whatever we discussed in indefinite, because same thing will repeat in definite, and the next part will be smaller part compared to the first part of integration. So practice ಮಾಡಿ. ಏನಾದರೂ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ okay, you can ask with me through WhatsApp number or you can call. But remember, integration part, whatever we complete up to now, it's a very important part to understand the next part of calculus. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Thank you.